Dave Ramsey stands as a luminary figure in the realm of personal finance, renowned for his pragmatic and no-nonsense approach to managing money. His philosophy, honed through personal experience, resonates with millions seeking financial freedom, stability, and a debt-free lifestyle. As a best-selling author, radio host, and financial advisor, Ramsey has empowered countless individuals with his straightforward advice on navigating the complex landscape of personal finance. In this video, we delve into an insightful review of Dave Ramsey's money-saving tips, dissecting his principles and methodologies. Ramsey's influence extends far beyond mere financial advice. It embodies a mindset shift, urging individuals to take control of their finances, eliminate debt, and secure a stable future. Through his teachings, Ramsey advocates for fundamental principles like living within one's means, building emergency funds, and employing strategic debt repayment methods. Our aim is not just to critique Ramsey's ideas, but also to explore their practical applications in diverse financial situations. By evaluating the strengths and potential limitations of his strategies, we seek to provide a comprehensive overview, allowing viewers to grasp the essence of Ramsey's teachings and determine their relevance in their own financial journeys. Join us as we uncover the wisdom behind Dave Ramsey's renowned money-saving tips and evaluate their real-world effectiveness. Dave Ramsey's first principle revolves around creating and sticking to a budget. Dave Ramsey's first principle, centered on budgeting, serves as the cornerstone of his financial philosophy. He emphasizes the transformative power of a well-structured budget, considering it a crucial tool for anyone aiming to gain control over their finances. Creating a budget involves more than just tallying up income and expenses. Ramsey advises a zero-based budget where every dollar is allocated to a specific category, be it bills, savings, or entertainment. This method instills a sense of purpose to each dollar earned, ensuring that every cent has a predetermined destination. By meticulously tracking and categorizing expenses, individuals gain a comprehensive understanding of their financial habits and can pinpoint areas where adjustments might be necessary. Moreover, Ramsey stresses the significance of regular budget reviews. As life circumstances change, so do financial priorities. Revisiting and adjusting the budget periodically enables individuals to adapt to these changes effectively, ensuring that the budget remains a realistic and functional tool in achieving financial goals. Ultimately, Ramsey's emphasis on budgeting isn't merely about restriction. It's about empowering individuals to prioritize their spending, aligning it with their values and long-term objectives. This approach fosters financial discipline and cultivates a mindset of intentional spending, laying a sturdy foundation for financial stability and future success. Ramsey also stresses the significance of an emergency fund. Ramsey's emphasis on establishing an emergency fund stands as a testament to his commitment to financial preparedness and security. He staunchly advocates for this financial safety net, considering it a pivotal component in shielding individuals from unexpected financial setbacks. The concept is simple: setting aside a designated amount, ideally starting with $1,000, solely for unforeseen emergencies. This fund acts as a buffer against life's uncertainties, whether it's a sudden job loss, medical emergency, or unexpected car repair. Ramsey advises building this emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses gradually, ensuring that individuals can weather challenging times without resorting to high-interest debt or derailing their financial progress. One crucial aspect Ramsey highlights is the psychological peace that comes with having an emergency fund in place. It alleviates stress and provides a sense of financial security, allowing individuals to navigate unexpected situations with greater confidence and less worry about the financial repercussions. Moreover, this fund serves as a powerful deterrent against derailing progress on other financial goals. By having a safety net in place, individuals can stay the course on their debt repayment or investment strategies without interruption, thereby fostering a more stable and resilient financial foundation. Ramsey's envelope system. Ramsey's practical financial strategies is the envelope system, a tangible and straightforward method designed to enforce disciplined spending and promote conscious money management. This system involves physically allocating cash into labeled envelopes, each designated for specific spending categories such as groceries, entertainment, gas, or dining out. Once the cash in a particular envelope is exhausted for the month, spending in that category halts until the next budget cycle. This method operates on the principle of using physical cash rather than cards, enhancing awareness of expenditure and fostering accountability for every dollar spent. Ramsey's envelope system isn't merely about restricting spending. It's a tool that encourages mindfulness and intentionality in financial decisions. By visually seeing the finite amount available in each envelope, individuals become more conscious of their spending habits and are compelled to prioritize needs over wants. This hands-on approach instills a sense of financial responsibility and empowers individuals to take control of their discretionary spending, ultimately contributing to better budget adherence and financial success. Ramsey emphasizes investing for the long term. Lastly, Dave Ramsey's financial wisdom extends to the realm of long-term financial planning, particularly emphasizing the significance of investing for the future. Ramsey's approach to investing is grounded in a pragmatic and conservative philosophy. He advocates for the use of mutual funds, particularly low-cost, diversified funds, with a long track record of consistent performance. This strategy aligns with his belief in avoiding high-risk investments and instead opting for a more stable, steady approach to wealth accumulation. Additionally, Ramsey underscores the importance of taking advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401ks or IRAs, individual retirement accounts. He encourages individuals to maximize contributions to these plans, especially if they come with employer matching, as it's essentially free money and a significant boost to one's retirement savings. Furthermore, Ramsey promotes the concept of long-term investing, advising individuals to stay the course and avoid reactionary decisions during market fluctuations. He believes in the power of compound interest over time, emphasizing the need for consistency and patience in the investment journey. Ramsey's prudent approach to investing serves as a beacon of financial guidance, encouraging individuals to focus on long-term financial goals, steadily build wealth, and secure a more comfortable and prosperous future. His mantra, "Live like no one else now, so you can live like no one else later," encapsulates the essence of his investment philosophy, sacrificing short-term desires for long-term financial security and abundance. Dave Ramsey's debt snowball method stands out as a pivotal component of his approach to achieving financial freedom. This method offers a strategic and motivational way to tackle debt systematically. The debt snowball method focuses on paying off debts, starting from the smallest balance to the largest, regardless of interest rates. Ramsey champions this method for its psychological impact. It prioritizes small wins that serve as powerful motivators. By concentrating on eliminating smaller debts first, individuals experience a sense of accomplishment and momentum as they swiftly clear these balances, creating a snowball effect. This approach isn't solely about numerical optimization. It's rooted in behavioral psychology. Ramsey understands the psychological burden that debt can impose and harnesses the debt snowball method to build confidence and momentum in debt repayment. As each smaller debt is eliminated, the freed-up cash flow is then directed toward the next debt in line, gradually gaining traction and accelerating the payoff process. Ramsey's debt snowball method isn't the mathematically optimal strategy in terms of interest savings, but its effectiveness lies in its ability to instill discipline, motivation, and a sense of achievement. It's a method that goes beyond numbers, empowering individuals to conquer debt by leveraging behavioral changes and cultivating a mindset of progress and financial freedom. Dave Ramsey's financial principles have garnered immense popularity for their practicality and straightforwardness, yet they are not without scrutiny. Let's explore the strengths and potential criticisms of Ramsey's money-saving tips to offer a comprehensive perspective. Ramsey's advice excels in its simplicity, making financial management accessible to a broad audience. His emphasis on emergency funds, debt reduction through the debt snowball method, and meticulous budgeting resonates with many, providing a clear roadmap to financial stability. Moreover, his motivational approach encourages a behavioral shift, empowering individuals to take control of their financial well-being. However, critics highlight potential limitations in Ramsey's strategies. For instance, while the debt snowball method prioritizes paying off smaller debts for psychological victories, it might not always be the most financially optimal method, as it might overlook higher interest rates on larger debts. Some argue that Ramsey's investment advice leans toward being overly conservative, potentially limiting investment growth for some individuals. Additionally, Ramsey's one-size-fits-all approach might not suit everyone's circumstances. His strict aversion to debt might clash with leveraging opportunities for certain investments or businesses, and his emphasis on frugality might not consider varying income levels or regional cost disparities. While acknowledging Ramsey's strengths, it's crucial to critically assess his advice to ensure its alignment with individual financial goals and circumstances. Dave Ramsey's money-saving tips serve as a roadmap to financial freedom. While his advice may not fit everyone's situation perfectly, incorporating some of these principles into your financial strategy can undoubtedly set you on the path to a more secure and prosperous future. As we draw the curtains on this exploration of Dave Ramsey's money-saving tips, it's evident that his guidance encapsulates both empowering strategies and areas open for scrutiny. Ramsey's principles, grounded in simplicity and practicality, have sparked a financial revolution for many, offering a roadmap to navigate the complexities of personal finance. Throughout this review, we've uncovered Ramsey's emphasis on emergency funds, debt reduction, disciplined budgeting, and prudent investing. These core principles, when implemented diligently, can undoubtedly steer individuals towards financial stability and freedom. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the nuances and potential limitations within Ramsey's advice. While his strategies resonate with many, they might not universally align with diverse financial situations or long-term investment goals. Ramsey's strict aversion to debt and conservative investment approach might require adaptation based on individual circumstances. Ultimately, the essence of Ramsey's teachings lies not only in the specific strategies, but also in fostering a mindset shift toward financial responsibility. Each individual's financial journey is unique, requiring thoughtful consideration and adaptation of advice to suit personal goals and situations. In closing, Dave Ramsey's money-saving tips serve as a valuable blueprint, offering guidance and inspiration for those seeking financial stability, but prudent consideration and customization are essential in applying these principles effectively. Thank you for being part of this journey. If you found this video insightful, consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth analysis and practical financial tips.